last job on everything.
All done.
Just like he's done.
You know, just like I told them, I said,
Yep. And I'm getting, don't forget, I'm getting all the video footage as well. It's like he's sending me everything of what he does.
Yeah. Fucking, just trying to fix my door quick. And I got this door and all that shit. Look, don't fall apart. The fuck my things on fire. Good. He's like, I'm gonna try to see if I get up to that thing there. I said, well, I said, really, you should be able to pay. Look, they got the refrigerator there.
Yeah, the free fridge, yeah. Yeah, they make me laugh. And look at this, folks. Gets it the first night. Check it out.
All right. Sure enough, right?
Yeah, right? Took me over a month, and Gilles had to give me his fridge. Imagine.
Yeah, imagine that. I had to give him my fridge.
But here he is, sucking up to a new tenant.
Even 8 months, I still don't have a stove, which is pretty sad. Because I got to ask Will to cook for me. I got to bug neighbors.
I don't know. I love it.
Oh, I'm speaking to the camera.
I know. Speak to my fans and followers.
Yes, I know. Just want to let you all know that Naeem likes to fuck around.
Likes to fuck people.
Yeah. Usually you get a kiss before you get fucked, but not with this guy. You like wearing I keep forgetting that too.
I don't.
No, I don't mind it. It's just the good thing is that you get to control.
Yes, sir. And man, it is fucking amazing.
I did it a couple times. I felt like just fucking.
He just made himself